SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. The meaning of SEO is literally what it sounds like. It means optimizing your website for search engines like Google. When someone searches for something online, these search engines use algorithms to decide which websites to show in the search results. When your target audience is looking for a solution to a problem that your website can solve, you want to make sure the search engines show your website in the search result, right? And while we obviously don't know how exactly those algorithms work and decide which websites are right for that user's search query, we do know some factors that the search engines consider. For example, keywords. These are the words or phrases people type into search engines. By researching using free tools like Ubersuggest and using relevant keywords in your website's content, you increase the chances of your site appearing when someone searches for those terms. Content. High quality, relevant content is essential for SEO. Search engines prioritize websites that offer unique, accurate, and helpful information to users. Links. Both internal links within your website and external links, meaning incoming links from other websites pointing to yours, are important for SEO. They help search engines understand the structure of your site and determine its credibility and authority. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are snippets of text that appear in search results. Writing meta descriptions with relevant keywords and meaningful descriptions can increase click-through rates to your site. Mobile optimization. With more people using mobile devices to browse the internet, search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites. Making sure your site is responsive and loads quickly on mobile devices is super important for search engines. User experience. Search engines also consider factors like page load speed, site structure, and ease of navigation when ranking websites. SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time activity. Monitoring your website's traffic using tools like Google Analytics allows you to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and tweak your SEO and content strategy iteratively. Finally, SEO is about optimizing your website to accurately meet the needs of both users and search engines. If you keep in mind the needs of your target audience while creating content and designing your website, search engines will automatically view your content as useful. Stick to the basics and don't give up.